Welcome to Soundline English. Welcome, my dear friends. This lesson is perfect for English beginners. Don't worry, I'll use slow, clear, and simple vocabulary. So sit back, relax, and let's improve your English together. And remember, you can pause, repeat, and practice whenever you want. Let's get started. Hi, everyone. It's me, Lucy. Today, I want to tell you about my morning routine. Are you ready? Let's start. Every morning, my alarm clock rings at 7 o'clock. Ring, ring, ring. I open my eyes and, oh no, I am still very sleepy. Sometimes I want to sleep 5 more minutes. Do you like waking up early? I think it is very hard. I sit up in my bed and I stretch my arms like this. Stretching feels so good. Then I rub my eyes and I look at my window. Oh, the sun is shining. It is a beautiful morning. My teddy bear is next to me on my bed. I say, "Good morning, Teddy," every day. He is my best friend. Do you have a favorite toy? Tell me in the comments. Now I need to get out of bed. 1, 2, 3, and up. I stand up and I put on my slippers. My slippers are pink and fluffy. They are very soft and warm. The first thing I do is go to the bathroom. I need to wash my face. I turn on the water. Splish, splash. The water is cold. Brrr! But it helps me wake up. I wash my face with soap. I close my eyes because soap hurts if it goes in my eyes. Then I wash my hands too. Clean hands are very important, right? I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is very messy. It looks funny. Sometimes I laugh when I see my morning hair. What about you? Is your hair messy in the morning? Now it is time to brush my teeth. This is very important for healthy teeth. I take my toothbrush. It is purple with stars on it. I like stars. I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. Not too much, just a little bit. Then I brush my teeth. Up and down, up and down. I brush for 2 minutes. My mom says 2 minutes is perfect. I also brush my tongue. Did you know that? It keeps your mouth very clean. Then I rinse my mouth with water. My teeth feel very clean and fresh. After the bathroom, I go back to my bedroom. Now I need to get dressed for school. I open my closet and I look at my clothes. What should I wear today? I have many choices. I love my yellow sweater. It is bright and happy. I also choose my blue jeans. They are comfortable. I take off my pajamas and I put on my school clothes. Sometimes it is hard to choose. Do you think about your clothes in the morning? What is your favorite color to wear? Oh, I almost forgot my socks. I need to find 2 socks that match. Where is the other one? Ah, here it is, under my bed. Now I put on my white sneakers. Perfect! I am dressed and ready. Now I go downstairs to the kitchen. I am hungry. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. That is what my mom always says. My mom is already in the kitchen. She is making breakfast. I can smell something delicious. Good morning, Mom, I say with a big smile. Today we have toast with butter and jam. I love strawberry jam. It is sweet and yummy. I also have a glass of orange juice. Orange juice has vitamin C and it is good for you. I sit at the table and I eat my breakfast. It tastes so good. While I eat, I talk to my mom about my day. I tell her what I will do at school today. Sometimes my little brother sits with me too. He is funny, but sometimes he makes a mess. Do you have brothers or sisters? Tell me about them. After breakfast, I need to pack my school bag. This is important. I cannot forget anything. First, I put my books in my bag. I have my English book, my math book, and my science book. I also put my pencil case inside. I have pencils, pens, an eraser, and a ruler. Oh, I almost forgot my homework. That would be bad. I check my homework and I put it in my folder. Always check your homework, my friends. It is very important. I also pack my lunchbox. My mom made me a sandwich. I have an apple too, and a bottle of water. Eating healthy food gives you energy for learning. Now I am ready to go to school. I put on my jacket because it is a little cold outside. I also take my school bag. It is not too heavy today. That is good. I look in the mirror one more time. My hair is nice now, not messy anymore. I combed it after breakfast. I look good and I feel ready. I say goodbye to my mom. Bye, Mom. Have a good day. She gives me a kiss on my forehead. Have fun at school, Lucy, she says. And that is my morning routine, everyone. Every morning is a new adventure. I start my day with energy and a happy smile. What about you, my English learning friends? What is your morning routine? Do you wake up early or late? What do you eat for breakfast? I want to know. Please write in the comments. Remember, starting your day with good habits is very important. Wash your face, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, and smile. These things make your day better. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some new English words today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.